Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily add a music to your story on Instagram, and if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. Okay, so just open your Instagram like I have already done here, and in order to add to your story, just click on the blue plus button. And once you're here, just click on a picture that you want to story. Okay, so mine is a screenshot of my favorite artist's new album here in my Spotify playlist. And what I want to do is add one of her music here to my story. So in order to do that, on the top right here, you'll see 5 different icons or logos. Just click on the one on the middle, which is the sticker one. And once you're here, you'll see music on the left here. So just click on that. And once you click on that, it'll prompt you to search for a music that you want. So I'll just search for the artist's name, Lapid. And here is one of her new songs called The Alternative. I'll just click on it. And as you can hear, it's already playing. On the bottom here, you'll see a soundbar or sound waves. You can scroll through it. And you'll see on the top when you scroll through it, you'll see the duration or timestamp on where the music is playing from. You can also see the lyrics as you scroll through. And let's say I want to start from 1 minute. So I'll just scroll all the way to 1 minute. There, 109. If you see a red line, by the way, it means that's one of the most common points where people start the song. So I just start here and then just click on done. If I want the album cover to be something else, just click on it. And then here in the bottom, you can scroll through these. So the text, basically, it spells out the lyrics as the song plays. So you can use different styles here. There is also something like this one, where it shows the album cover in a different layout. There's 2 of those. So this is just the album cover, and this is the other one. And on the top here, you can also change the color. As you can see, there's a color wheel. Just click on it. You can change it. So I want it to be black like that. And if you want to change the music, just click on the top here with the album cover. And you can change it. You can click on the little 15 seconds logo on the bottom left here. Make that shorter or longer depending on the song. It can be longer. So just click on done and click on done. Oh, wait, let me change the cover real quick. Click on done once you're done customizing it. And you can actually resize it on Instagram itself. So I just wanted to replace this top bar here. Like that. And once you click on add to story, on the bottom, just click on your story. Not now. And let's wait for it to post. And there we go, my story is posted, and if I click on it, as you can see, music is playing. You can also see the title of the music on the top here under your username. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.